Hi everyone, and welcome to tutorial number 9 of the Learn Python for Beginners course. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning about how to read a text file. The first thing we need to do is open a new project. Before we start writing the program for how to read the text file, we need to have the text file first. Type in the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, each of them on a different line. Now save your program. Instead of saving it as a normal .py for Python, save it as a .txt as a text. Now that we've saved it as a .txt, this automatically becomes a text document, not a Python program. Now create a new project for the real program. So the first thing that you want to do is to program it to open the file so that you can read it. I'm just going to do a few comments along the way so that you know which line of code is for what purpose. First we'll comment, the first thing we need to do is open the file. So now we're going to program it. To open the file, type in file is equal to open, brackets, and quotes. In these quotes, you're going to type in two things. The first thing you need to type in is the name of the text. In our case, it's untitled11.txt. Let's change the name of this text so it's a bit shorter. Save it as text.txt. So we got it as text. So now we type in the name of our text, which is text. So you type in text. Now many people forget to type in the .txt. So don't forget, that's a very important part, or else your program will show an error. The second thing you're going to type in is the read mode. Type in a comma after that and add in new quotes. In these quotes, you're going to type in R. The R stands for read. The next few lines of code we're going to type in is for reading the lines of the text. Just typing in R isn't going to program you to read the text. You need to do a few more lines of code to actually be able to read it. So make another comment. Read the lines of the text. So the next few lines of code that we're going to do is for reading the lines of text. So, to program to read the lines of the text, first set a variable called lines. Set it to file dot read lines and brackets. Click enter and type in print lines. This is the program that you need to do to read the lines of the text. The final part of the program is quite simple. It is for closing the file. We'll just make a comment, closing the file. Now this part is very important, even though it doesn't seem important. You always have to write a line of code at the end of your program so that you close the file. And to do that, you just type in file.close and empty brackets. So we're going to save this, and we're going to save it as a Python program. Don't change anything of that to text. And we're going to save it as tutorial 9. 9. So save that, and we're going to run. As you can see, it printed out 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is what we had in our text. The /n stands for new line. But technically it's correct because we had 1 and then we had a new line, and then we had 2 and then we had a new line, then 3 and a new line, and then 4. And anyways, that is how you make a Python program to read a text file. that is the end of tutorial number 9 of this course. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and I'll be back soon with tutorial number 10 very soon.